Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, she's up and running. Welcome, everyone. Welcome back. We are going to jump right into it. I've got some solutions for my problem from before. We're going to try out a new music playlist, and if it doesn't work out and we get copywritten, well, that's okay. It's 2024 DMCA free OSTS. A compilation of DMCA free music for you to use during your content creations and streams. For Fire, there's also some non-OST, but still DMCA free on the music playlist for smaller local artists. Alright. Let's just hope that whatever they put in here actually is DMCA free. Alright, anyways. We're gonna go ahead and jump into getting the UI fixed for the timer. Right. I believe the player's the... Oh, no. I have to find the thing that handles the time. Give me a second. It's like a timer script, does it? Here we go. Time trial. I think this will be the thing that does it. And then we've got some code that we want to copy and kind of read and then make our own or improve, because it does look a little bit messy. Okay, so we're gonna copy their update function and read it. Let's get this. So here's their update function, or our update function. This is from our jam game. Reggie wrote this. Right. So timer.delta time goes down, but instead we want time to go up. So if keep time, timer is greater than 0, then you start decrementing. I don't think I need this. Update timer display. So we'll need another function. And update prompt. Update timer display. Here's the update timer display function. So there you go. Okay. So here's the variables. Shield burst activated, shield burst color, get wind sound. Don't need this. Yeah, I don't need this. I don't need a flash or anything. Update prompt. Let's look for the update prompt function and see what it is. Okay, update prompt is another thing that I don't need. Now, update keep time. Basically, if we're not keeping time, we empty out the thing. So I don't necessarily need this. Because we're gonna keep time all the way through. Until we're basically gonna simplify this until we need to do all this stuff. Because like, okay, let's say the player goes overtime, I wanna like prompt them and be like, oh, you went overtime and in the level. Now this shift tab, bring that back. I think I can shift tab it again. There you go. Alright. Now this instead is gonna be plus equals. So timer goes up. Ugh. Now this minutes, seconds, milliseconds. Interesting. Current time is equal to this. I don't know how this formatting works. So what we can do... I don't understand why we don't just set this equal. 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll double check. We're gonna see what this is. Right. This is gonna be important. We're just gonna rewrite the update function, I guess. Timer.text. What we want to do is make this a return function. Whoa. Oh, sorry. Whoa. We're gonna have it return this. This is Undertale. This can't be. This can't possibly be free. Okay. Oh, this is a string. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so what it would be is this. And then instead here, we would return a string. Okay. And then we'd say return current time, return the string. And then here, it would be time.toString. And instead, we would put this. Oopsie. We would put this, and it would update this. Now, if timer goes above a certain limit, if it's greater than or equal to the limit, or we're in time travel mode, or timer goes above this, which is an hour, you're gonna load scene, which is the game over. Okay. Right. Now this time is equal to time span. I don't need this, so we're gonna get rid of this for now. I'm gonna comment it out so I don't lose it. Well, I mean, it's actually not necessary to have it. Okay, let's try this. I don't need this right now. We're gonna try this, and we're gonna see what this format actually looks like in our UI. Man, this music is gotta be... I'm gonna get caught for this music. Holy crap. Oh, that looks bad. Okay. 1 second. So, since the timer is weird, we're gonna modify the text so that it's easier to read. There we go. Hang on a second. Isn't this Chrono Trigger? This can't be. This can't be. Oh no, this is Donkey Kong. Okay. I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm gonna get in trouble for using this. So let's see what the numbers are. So seconds. It looks like milliseconds and seconds. So okay, that's fine. That means that we just need to change this a little bit. Minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. String format. I just need to figure out how this string.format thing works. String format. Argument, argument, argument. So I believe these are working. So it's, I don't want this. I want it like that. Let's try this. What did that do? I see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I see that that's doing something. Man, my objectives list is messed up as well. I gotta fix that. I want to see what it does once it gets to a minute. Also, why does it like go away and then come back? I can kind of see why Reggie did it the way he did it. Is because it doesn't look good. Maybe I can left justify it. I'm just gonna wait for it to get to a minute. Alright, let's just wait. The format didn't seem to do exactly what I wanted it to do. There, it went to a minute. Wait, did that pause the timer? I did not check. It's in like the 20s right now. Yeah, it looks like it pauses the timer. Okay, anyways. Can I put like stuff here? I think that'll do it. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Now, I think that this box I need to modify to sit a certain way so it doesn't do what it's doing. Alright, let's go to scene view. Make sure this thing is sitting properly. Like this. Or I think maybe like this is better. Like this. I think like this is good. Good play. There it goes. There's the timer. Okay, this should stick with me, technically. Or like it's for each level. And I did that in 15 seconds. We need to make a way for the times that I accomplish to show in the game. Okay. Oh! Oh crap. Okay, that's fine. Oh no. I need to fix the objectives UI, obviously. Timer seems to be working. Okay. Complete the level. All it cares about. 6 seconds, baby. Okay. I gotta make an array of times that correspond to the levels. There we go. Uh-huh. Oh, yes! Please! Aww. 2 lives left. Okay, let's try again. Oh my god, I hit the... Whoops. I missed! Damn it. Come on, baby. My last chance. Yeah! I got a point collector's null reference. I don't know what happened there. Oh, shit! Okay. That's okay. There we go. This is gonna be hard. Oh my god. There's no way, dog. 3 tries on this? Oh my god. 1 life left. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is it. Go, go. Go up. No! Okay, well, game over. Alright, well, there you have it. Alright, the timer's working. Let's go to my to-do list and just double check. I'm gonna kind of backlog the UI fixes. Let's see. Make point system. Make points UI, timer UI. This is done. We'll save that. We're gonna go and close this. Okay. Goal objective UI fixes. Make point system. Points UI. We're gonna chopping block this as well, because we might just use the timer as a way to keep track of the points, like how much, like we're just using the points as a means of objective and goal keeping. We don't need the points in terms of like, oh, this is how many points you collected. Don't care. All right, let's go and order this stuff. Okay. Add wall jumping levels, add water hard deck, that's kind of important. Spawn box collision and camera collider. Oh, okay, I need to make, let's see. It's like save player completion times. Make, leaderboard or scoreboard. Scoreboard for completion times on completion times on menu. I might do a like an entire scene dedicated to this. We'll put it in the normal stuff. I'd like to get this stuff done. Alright, chopping block stuff. Let's go ahead and we'll take this, put it through here. I'm gonna paint this. Alright, there you go. Now, alright. Level props and points. We're gonna go ahead and let's just level points. We're not gonna do props. Like we'll maybe come back around to props. Oh, and let's do that. Insert level props. We'll put this low priority. Tell players they can jump or move very fast on red surfaces. Clean up topography for all levels. New point models for city. Collision detection in city level. Rotating barrel and walls. When you finish a level, make a victory sound, make confetti, and shoot player with slow. Goal objective UI fixes. Once point models are activated, accelerate until collides. That seems like a good thing to work on now. Let's go ahead and like put these like a different color for chopping block. Okay, let's organize this again. Let's take the chopping block out. Take the complete out. Oh, right. Okay, so these are also complete, technically. Complete. Forget. Setting, sensitivity, goals, UI system. Game loads. Settings are applied. Okay, there you go. Those are complete. Let's take those out. Okay, here we go. Now we have our list. Let's go ahead and choose from the normal what we're gonna do today. I'll do this today. Add checkpoints. No, not yet. Level points, spawn box collision with camera collider. That's a big thing. I think I want to tackle these two things. I want to fix the points and then add a water hard deck. This is a visual representation of our kill box. So that'll be fun to tackle today. This will be like a quick fix right here. So let's go ahead and go over to our point collectors. It's a script. Point collector. I don't think it's the point, it's a collectible. Okay. So this is where the player chase thing happens. Player transform is equal to move speed dot times dot or time dot delta time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the move speed over time. So move speed is equal to move speed times 1.1. It's going to increase by 10% times time dot delta time. I also just realized I need to add a debug mode to the game so I can take away the player like deaths. Lives manager I think is where it is. Or it's gonna be player manager. This is hard coded, so that is technically a problem. This is like gonna increase the player movement by 10 every single second, or it's gonna increase this thing by 10 every single second. So maybe I do it like 3 instead to make it even faster. All right, I gotta find the player manager. Give me a second. Let's find that. So, player, scripts, player manager. So here's lives. If lives is less than 0, debug. So let's go ahead and go up here. Right. Okay, we're gonna do a public bool. Debug mode equals false, and then we'll come over here. If lives is less than 0, oh, sub life. Maybe we just don't sub life. That points invert gravity. Yeah, let's do that. If not debug mode. So if debug mode is true, hang on, sorry. Debug mode. If debug mode is true, then you'll subtract the life. But if it's not true, if you're not, sorry, hang on. So say debug mode is false, and then this turns to true, and you'll sub lives. If debug mode is true, this will turn to false. There you go. I just needed to add that. Okay, I added the... I just need to double check. Whoops. What did I press? Stop it. Stop. Crap. Alright, let's go check to see if this thing works. I just want to make sure these things are accelerating. What? Hey, come on. Now it's not working. Maybe I messed up. Collectible? Oh, I multiplied by time.delta time like a second time, so like they're not gonna chase it all. There you go. Okay, let's try that again. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, I think I need to... Damn, why you gotta disconnect on me like that? Just do 2 every second. It's 2 extra. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's just get this and then go check. So this is the way we check. Oh, I fucking... Yeah, there's like no way I'm getting away from these things. Okay. Oops. Let's try again. Yeah, it's like so fast, like there's like no way for me to get away from it. That was kind of close. Okay. Let's try over here. Oh, fuck. How could you have done this? I missed it again. This is not gonna work. So, level select. I think level 3 is a good one to check with. There's one. Okay, it's not very fast. It definitely chases you down. Maybe increase this by a little bit more. Let's say 5. Let's just say it doubles. Like, say it's really quick. I know that time.delta time like messes this up by a lot. Or not messes it up, but like it'll cut a float by a lot. Oh, wait. Level 3. That's easier. Alright, there they go. Yeah, there they are. That's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, I mean, I technically did it. Let's double this. It's like in a way accelerating it. Let's see what level 4 is about. I mean, yeah. There he goes. Yeah, that's great. That's good. That's good. That's good. I like that. Okay, so that's done. Complete. Alright. Now... let's look up how to make a water surface. Because that's what I want. How to make a water surface in Unity. Enable HDRP asset quality settings. Be quiet, Copilot. I don't want you. Use water system in your project. Okay. Enable water and HDRP asset quality settings. In quality HDRP, open the rendering, enable water in frame settings, in graphics HDRP, camera rendering, real-time rendering, baked custom reflection rendering. Okay. This kind of seems like what I want. Right. Okay, so let's follow these instructions. And let's see what we get. Okay, so first, open project settings. So let's go over here. What the hell is that about? Project settings. In quality, you go HDRP. Huh? What? Quality HDRP. Where's HDRP? Open the rendering section. Okay, hang on. HDRP. High definition render pipeline? Is that what that stands for? Maybe it's here? Quality HDRP. I don't see HDRP at all. Maybe I'm it's okay, adding the water volume override to global volume. In the global volume in your scene, select sky, add override, lighting, water rendering, and select water enable to true. Add a water surface to the scene. I don't see that first part though. This is Doom. There's no way I'm gonna get away with this. Why would they put Doom into this? Like, this is gonna get copywritten. Okay, well, it's too late now. I guess I'll just never make money on this video. They straight up say go... Quality HDRP rendering section enable water. What is this? 22.3.7? I don't think my thing is a high definition. How to create a water surface. How to set up a new water system. Maybe I can just add the surface. Let's go to a scene and see. Let's go to a scene. City sewer? Sewer 1? Where would it be? Use water system. It's, no. Game object water surface. That's just not gonna, that's not gonna work. Camera, center machine, volume. Yeah, I'm just not gonna have that. Okay. I don't know. I don't think my thing is a HDRP, how to make a water surface. Water surface Unity. I don't want rippling water. Maybe. Let's go to the Unity asset store. Sorry. Unity asset store. Let's look up water. See what we got. No. This is something free. Simple water shader, URP. Low poly water. Water texture, water shader. Stylized water shader. Let's see what this does. So while you can create water meshes manually, there are some include create a new game object to represent your water volume and position at the bottom left corner area you wish to have water. To this, add a mesh renderer and a water volume transform component. Apply material using the stylized water shader renderer. This looks good. Yeah, okay. Let's just use this. Okay, everybody look away. Close your eyes. I add this to my assets. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this thing. Alright, so asset store. Nope. Package manager. Sorry. Close this. My assets. Purchase date. So I just got this, so it should be right here. Hello. Download this. Oh, 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 oh. I downloaded it. Does that mean it's in my assets? Okay. Create an empty child game object within the water volume to define the volume covered. Position the scale transform accordingly and the volumes will snap to the tile. Alright. URP. Oh, I am not in URP. Crap. Am I? Wait a second. I don't remember. I don't think I'm in URP. Damn it. I gotta delete this thing. I downloaded it, but I didn't import it. Okay, that's fine. Alright, that's, crap. What happened? Okay, let's try that again. I liked it, but it's URP. I don't have a URP. Alright, maybe something different. HDRP. I'm not in HDRP though. Shoot. I don't know if I'll be able to find something for this. Dynamic vertical fog. Vertical fog might be good. Yeah. Maybe we choose this. Instead of using... Am I in HDRP or URP? I'm not in URP. I think I'm in HDRP. If I'm in HDRP, man, like I should be able to... Give me a second. What is this music? Water system in your pro... I'm in HDRP, aren't I? Frig, I don't know how to tell. Alright, let's look that up first off. How to tell what kind of project my Unity game is. What version of Unity project was created with? Okay, go to the library folder. Okay. What's it say again? Library project settings assets. I don't know how to find that. Hang on. Maybe I'll just go here. Projects. VelocityRush. Library. Project assets. ABCDFGLLM, no, I don't have a project assets folder. Library folder, open this with a text editor, WordPad, don't save the file no matter what. The file will look like junk, but near the top you'll see the version in plain text. Do not save, seriously, do not save. Okay, well, I don't see the project folder, or file. Anyways, maybe it's a hidden item. No. All right. Whatever. Okay, maybe my game is URP or HDRP. Manually switching rendering pipeline. Active built-in rendering pipeline. Edit project settings for quality. Render pipeline field none. Activate URP or custom render pipelines. So, again, we're project settings. URP global settings. Select a valid universal render pipeline. Render pipelines. Quality. Render pipeline asset. None. Render pipeline asset. I don't have a render pipeline asset. I have none. So I don't see anywhere for... This kind of sucks. I feel like I should be able to, like, know. Okay. Let's see. Let's go read some more of this. Switching render pipelines. I don't really need that. Is there any way to test to see if the project is using... Okay, here we go. This is helpful. You can get the name of active render pipeline with the asset. Rendering graphic settings, render pipeline asset. And Unity is a decent approach to assembly definitions. You can get the name of active render pipeline with this. For universal render pipeline, for example, universal render pipeline asset, if no scriptable render pipeline is used, then render pipeline should be null. So if you get a default shader and a default material for the current render pipeline using this and this. Graphic render pipeline asset, public static rendering pipeline description deprecated. Okay. All right. That's the thing. Okay, so how about this? Let's do this real quick. Copy. Now we're gonna go into like a script that's active. Collectible. No. Let's do time trial. On start. Debug. .log. And we're gonna have it give me this. Thank you, time trial. All right. Let's go ahead and jump into it, see what I get. It's gonna give me a bunch of errors because I'm in just a thing. It didn't give me anything. Oh, of course it didn't, because I'm dumb. Okay. 1 second. Assets. Scenes. Sewer. No, sorry, my bad. Testing title screen. Let's go and do this. Start. I see these errors. All right, give me 1 second. I have to go do something. Or I'll be right back. So we'll say this right here. We'll be right back. All right, be right back. Dude, somebody. It looks like somebody joined while I was away. Whoops. My bad. Alright. Let's get back to it. I could always use the vertical fog. It's just, I wish I could figure this thing out. I think the vertical fog will be my best bet. This doesn't seem to be working. Oh, why would it work? I didn't... Oh my god. Okay, hang on. This is Halo! There's no way! I'm gonna get, like... My stream's gonna get taken down because of this. What is this? Line 19. It doesn't know how to do this. Okay, well... Let's go ahead and kill that. That's fine. Let's use that other thing I saw. It'll just be the placeholder. Let's find it again, though. I gotta find it. Dynamic vertical fog. This is what I want. Okay. Let's go get it. Okay. Refresh this. There it is. Download this. Dun, dun, dun. I mean, this is good music, but like, there's no way. What is this? Alright. Hang on. Let's see where it is. Okay, this is it. Let's go look at the scenes. Am I in freaking URP, bro? Oh, man. I am in URP, dude. Hang on. I thought... Can I convert this? Selection... Oh no, that's not what I want. Did that work? That's not even working. Hang on. Crap. Where was it? Let me go look at these other materials. These are standard. I'm not in URP though. Dang it. So why isn't this working? What is this script? Okay. Value can't be null. I'm missing a script here in the directional light. I need to maybe look up how to set it up. The built-in render pipeline is Unity's default render pipeline and general purpose render pipeline that is limited. Quick way to perform dynamic vertical fog. Works with URP and HDRP mobile ready, VR ready. I mean, it should be working. Maybe I am missing a script? Neither one of these is working. Let's go ahead and clear this again. Is this URP? Okay, in your scene, create a plane with a dynamic fog material. Change the shader material type to satisfy your needs. Required. Update the camera projection settings to perspective. Okay. Whoops. Where'd that document go? Here it is. Required. Enable depth texture in your render pipeline. Make sure it's update in your settings. So, settings, universal, like optional. Customize the dynamic vertical fog shader graph. Interesting. I need to look up how to do that. Update your camera projection using settings to be perspective. Enable the depth texture in your render pipeline settings. Make sure to update it for each quality setting. Board render asset. Okay. So why does it still look like this? Maybe I need to give it a material? Or like a... Damn it. Even these cubes don't seem to be... The speed of sound. Let's give these material. Oh! Oh, damn. Okay, well. Hello! Sweet Chin has joined the chat. Gonna watch me struggle for another hour with this damn vertical fog. I need to do it smart this time. Don't touch that. It's gonna crash. Crap. I need to add a material to it. I can see that that is not right. So what's going on in this scene that's causing it to be like this? New ambient playlist. That's good. You must be waking up mighty early. I mean, I can put it on here. Just make sure to like not touch anything else. Let's go ahead and get this. My directional light is very intense. Holy crap. Are you serious? Let's go like 10. One is normal. Okay, there. Alright, now I'm starting to see a little bit. You've been up since 7. Let's remove this component. I think that means you've been up for, is it 8 over there? So it's like you've been up for an hour? I think that's right. I know it's not the light. The light isn't the thing messing this up. It's gonna be something else. Projection? Perspective? Use graphic settings? Is it because my graphic settings are messed up? It's 10. Okay, you're an hour ahead of me, not behind me. Gotcha. This is just not working. Let's go look at their more at their page. Maybe they have a problem with it. Or like people are gonna mention the... Oh no, I closed it. Vertical fog. What is this music? LWRP. What does this work with? Maybe I need to try this instead. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm imagining this other one has the problem too. It has better ratings, but there's still issues. Built-in, not compatible. Well, screw you. I think that's why. It's because I'm not using either. Let's see what this guy's got, if it's built-in. I don't even think it references it. I don't see anything. Okay, let's look at this other one. For the universal render pipeline. Okay, so I guess since I'm built-in, I have a built-in pipeline. That's why it's not working. I have to use URP or HDRP. I get it. Okay, I mean, yeah, what can I do? I can't do anything about that. I guess I just delete it. It's fine. Let's get out of here. Maybe I just do something different. Maybe I ask... Oh, maybe I ask ChatGPT, because this is like a shader problem. It'd be nice to make my own shader, but I feel like that's kind of out of the scope of my work for this project. I really just want an asset that I can drop in. Oh. Let's see. I wonder if there's a way I can make it filter for UR or for built-in. Excuse me. Yeah, I downloaded that one. I shouldn't have. URP, Pure House, low poly water. Yeah, and I'm not in. I'm built-in. Built-in is different from those other render pipelines. So like this stuff just won't work. VFX, visual effects, water shaders. Maybe this will work. The shader does not work with standard render pipeline. HDR. It's not gonna work. Okay. Only built-in render pipeline. Okay, fine. Water effects for low poly. That looks pretty cool. I don't see. Demo works on SM3 hardware. Hire, don't forget to import standard assets to make water work. I don't see what it's compatible with. I might come back to this one. I know that doesn't work. Tune shader water. Let's look. The water strip can now store multiple configurations and smoothly lerp between them. You need to apply 2 shaders, one for water and one for terrain, and objects that should be in the water. Geometry shader. I see. This isn't going to work because I need to apply 2 shaders. I really just want... I don't want like dynamic... I don't need dynamic water. Maybe I just make a... Like, honestly, this is what I want, of all things. Bah! This is too complicated. Maybe I just put a plane on the ground and say that's the water. I just wanted it to look better. I need to do some studies for VFX, for like the technical art stuff. I'd rather do this stuff myself. Alright, screw all this noise. I'm gonna do it myself. Scenes, sewers, sewer level. Don't save this. So I know my kill box is here somewhere. Just find that real quick. Here's my kill box. Okay, let's just make this thing visible. We're gonna make a new material for it. Our own material. We're gonna call it kill box or hard deck. Sewer hard deck mat. Okay, we're gonna put this on the kill box. Hey yo, what's going on? What is that? Clear this. Dude, what the hell? Does this not work anymore? It doesn't. That bums me out. Can I please see this? Properties. I'm gonna make it transparent. I'm gonna make it green, I guess. Let's go ahead and water surface texture. I guess this will have to do. It has a fucking thing on it. Hang on. Copy image. Save image as. Let's just put it right here. I think this is tileable. It looks tileable. This is dumb. I don't know if I'm allowed to put a... Okay, that doesn't look horrible. Okay, I'm happy. I'm actually like, it's not bad. Okay. Let's see. Let's add emissions. Make it green. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't mind that. That's kind of cool. I mean, I wish it were a little different, but beggars can't be choosers, I guess, let's tile this a little differently. Let's do 5 by 5. Yeah, that looks. Oh yeah, dog. That's like, that's totally serviceable for this. I'm not gonna bug about that. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. I like it. Let's just make sure it's big enough to go on all of the levels. Yeah, okay. Let's change this a little bit. I want it to be like I want it to be radioactive green. Look at that. Okay. Up a little bit. Okay. I think this is good. Let's go ahead and copy this to the other spots. Or like, I make a prefab of it. Let's go prefabs. Make the kill box. Okay. Save. Let's go to all my scenes and put the prefab. Okay, let's see. Scenes. Sewers. Sewer level 2. Let's level objects. Let's destroy this one. And then let's open my prefabs. We're gonna take this and drop it in here. I think that looks great. I love it. Let's play the level and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. It looks kind of silly, but I like it. Oh, that's right. This other thing I need to fix. These need to become ground. Oh, they are ground. Very strange. Their model should be tagged as ground, though. Yes. Okay. Alright, on to the next scene. Okay. Prefab. Level objects. We'll destroy this one. Drop this one in. Nice. Okay. Next. Scene 1, 2. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level objects, kill box, delete that. Scenes, assets, prefabs, kill box. skill box. I think it looks good. I think it looks awesome. I really do. I do like it. Yeah, Chin likes it. That's good. Thank you, Chin. I think, like, in general, I like the other... I really do like the falling into the abyss thing. Like, it makes it seem like you're gonna fall really far. But I just think that for style points, like having the, you know, radioactive sewer water is just better. Um, but I want to do kind of this, like, this kind of level design again, where there's, like, you know, these huge walls facing each other, and you're, like, over, it's, like, massive crevasse. But I want to do it right. There's this manga that I really love. It's called Blame. Scene. You know, architecture. There's an architect went on to make a manga. He studied architecture, and then he made this manga called Blame. And Blame is like a very quiet, foreboding, post-apocalyptic world. And it focuses heavily on space and like how intimidating like spaces can be when they're designed properly. And there's one scene in Blame that I really love, and like I want to make kind of a world up after it. I'm trying to find the picture of it. Like one of these. But yeah, so he was an architect before, and he went on to make this manga. Here we go. It's like this, like, two massive walls, and like there's just these like pillars that go between them, or these walkways that go between them that are so small, and so it makes the character feel so tiny relative to this world. And so like that's kind of like I got the idea to put the two massive walls, and you're like going from side to side, and it's like when you're crossing over, it's like you're leaving like all the safety of the wall, and like you're over this massive crevasse, or this massive like hole. Oh my goodness gracious. And like some of the like architecture that's like spawning around this stuff, or like that's in this style, like I'm obsessed with it. Like it's just so cool. Yeah, I mean look at this. Like this like the space that he makes is just massive. It's like where the main character is wandering, yeah, endlessly through a mega structure. Yes, exactly. That's exactly what this is. I haven't even read all of Blame. I've only seen some of the panels, and I'm like, oh, I like need to get into this. It just, some of the panels look so amazing. And like I just like the and so, and then I've been like different like things have been coming up on my feed, and I followed a bunch of different Instagrams that have to do with these kind of like brutalist minimal structures, but they're like mega structures, and it's like, whoa, it looks so cool. And I feel like recreating some of these scenes in Unity isn't all that difficult, because this is all just squares. These are just square work, but it's like so visually appealing and like uniform that like if you were to make this in the game, like replicate some of this stuff in game, like I think it would translate really well. And it's just like, you know, pure concrete. But things like this has a lot of detail, and so do these other scenes. Like that's why I want to get better at asset creation, because I want to remix. I would love to remake some of these scenes, because blocking them out isn't theoretically difficult, but detailing them would be so difficult. Oh, look at this. See, like, he's got, like, arcs that, or arches and pathways that go across from, like, one huge, enormous wall, one structure to another, and it just, like, I don't even know how to describe, like, this. This is, like, a one-for-one what I was, like, gonna try to recreate. Like, this huge wall with these, like, wires that cross from side to side, and then these pathways. You can see, like, in this, there's like, this is like a staircase. I can't even zoom in. I wish I could zoom in on this. Can I just like view this? Okay, yeah. You can see that, like, you know, they're on this pathway, but then across this huge wall, there's these steps, and like how like freaking haunting, how daunting, how terrifying it would be to like walk on this staircase, but like just like it's so big that like you look off into the distance and like there's just void, and that's kind of what I tried to recreate with this, um, and like I feel like I did a little like I want to keep working on it. I want to keep kind of retrying this art style or like retrying to capture that kind of thing because I just think it's so cool looking and like I don't ever see that in video games. I think Scorn had a little bit of it. It's a bit disconcerting thing to be faced with a mega structure like Temple, but to be faced with a mega wall of cement would be decidedly off-putting. Yeah, just like in a wall of concrete. And it's like it's kind of like a testament because it's or a testament to humanity and technology because humanity like that thing wouldn't exist without humanity having put it there or like some like society or not community some like power that put it there, right? That's not it had to be man-made. And then like especially in the setting of like a dystopia where like humanity has all died out, those things become, like you said, more like temples. They're like, what is the word? They're like testaments to humanity and like the strength of humanity, but then like it's a juxtaposition with humanity dying out. Let's go to my next scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just think it's like super cool, especially when it's like, oh, I'm like a lone survivor exploring this world, and imagine like you're in nature and then you just come upon this like door that leads down into like it'd almost be like descending into hell, and in hell there's like all of these mega structures. It's all these things humanity has created over time, but even though humanity was so powerful and like was able to make that thing, like make that mega structure, make that thing, they still died, and it's like it's very mysterious. It's like finding the remnants of a society before us, and being like, what the hell? Like they were so strong, like what killed them, type thing. And so like it just leads to a lot of questions. I find it fascinating, honestly. Okay, so that takes care of this. I'm gonna fix the color for whenever I get to the next levels. Let's drop this in here. Wall platform. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Very cool. Man, I'm definitely gonna get copywritten for all of these songs. Like, there's no way. I gotta plug my controller in. Hang on. Damn, man, I only have 30 minutes left? What the hell? Where's the... Oh, there it is. I fell! I should make like a splashing water sound or something whenever you hit the kill box. That'd be cool. So it's like you fell in the poo-poo water. I gotta fix this. Yeah, it looks... I think it looks really good, actually. I think that looks great. I wish it was animated. I don't know how I would do that exactly. Maybe just move the object. Yeah, I probably could figure something out like that. I have a script from another game I made. Oh, dude, send those videos to me. If you've got video ID or if you've got video essays, I love those things. There's a bunch of YouTube video or YouTube essay guys that I like. Green poo poo water is valid, yeah. Okay, 1, 2. What did that say? Did that say horse? Horse? Oh, right. I forget. Horse? Alright, let's get this one done too. Prefabs. Drop this in. Object, get rid of that. I don't think we need this either. Let's just leave this like this. What is all this, man? Oh, it's because I'm playtesting. Okay. Next. I guess I have props in here, so we'll just get rid of this. It kind of reminds me of like the kill box from Tony Hawk. When you'd hit the kill box, it'd be like you were like hitting water, and I always thought that was funny. Okay. All right. Next scene. I'm in 7, so I need to go to 8. 8. Okay. Get rid of this kill box. Like way down there. Put this in here. Let's just make sure it's big enough. Yeah. We're good. Yeah, looks good to me. Maybe bring it up a little bit. Where's its handle? There it is. Yeah, it's fine. This level is very dark, so having this having this kill box in here will help to make the level a little bit brighter. Is this Mega Man? Oh, I could change it so that the water rises. That'd be cool. Yes, please. I'll listen to them. I was listening to a bunch of video game ones the other day. My team for Chilinium came over and we hung out for like an hour or so before we left to go to the event. We watched some video essays on what was it? On aliens. There's a good one. I'll go find it. It's like in a lot of classic media, aliens are like kind of designed to look evil. But the reality of it is that like more likely than not, if aliens do exist, they'll just be like another form of life. And so like whenever you look at, you'll have to actually check my messages. I know. I'm sorry. WhatsApp does not give me notifications like my normal text do. Where the hell's where's the level? What the fuck? Oh, here we are. Okay. Let's put this in. I will check it, I promise. Okay, let's definitely bring this one up. Okay, I want it to like kind of sit underneath the level. I don't want it to touch like that. I want it to like look like you're gonna like go under. Good boy. Okay. Let's go here. 10? 9, 10, 11. Whoa. What? 12? 10? Where's my... Oh, I only have 10 levels. Oh, look at that. These levels suck. Okay, let's delete these because they're just taking up space. I'll come around. I'll fix this. Let's go to let's go to my city scenes. Yeah, whatever. Let's get these in. Okay, here we go. Now we got some fog. We're gonna change it to blue water. Okay. Go ahead and work on it. Prefab. Kill box goes in. There's no way, dude. There's no way that this is... Sounds good, though. This music is gonna get me... Is like gonna get me in trouble, dude. I guess the water will be good. Like, I don't really mind the water. I can't see the end of the kill box, though. Oh, it's huge. So there's no way I'm gonna see the end. Let's make another prefab, I guess. Kill box 2. Oh, I pressed the FN button instead. Kill box 2. Got this here. Yeah, that's what I want. What is this music? It's Katamari. Ah. I love that game. I don't remember this music, though. Where is the kill box? Here it is. Prefab. Kill box 2. Let's bring this up. Where's the handle? There it is. Okay, let's also change this. Let's change these. Okay, that fixes it. It makes it look more like a building when I do it like that. I'll change the prefabs themselves to make a sound, and I'll add like a variable for it. Let's just add that. Let's do water, hard, deck, sound, implement. Let's just make it flow for now, like we'll come back to it later. I'm almost done. And I'm almost out of time too. Man, why is my bedtime so early? So sucks. Themes. City. 1, 2, 3. Kill box. Delete. Scenes. Assets. Prefabs. Kill box 2. I want to make this a building, so do a plop when you hit the sewer water. Yep. A plop. We'll do regular water. We'll do regular water for what for this, but then we'll do like a poop plop, like a splat or something. Huh? Oh, this is already a pillar. Why was this missing? I was just floating before. That's not good. Okay, that looks pretty good. I like that. Let's go ahead and modify this as well. I want this brush. Where's this brush? This one? Yes. Okay, so we're going to copy this one. We're going to copy this and put it into the walls. They're in the walls! They're in the goddamn walls! Oopsie. Place. We're going to move it down a little bit. And then we're going to edit it. so that we have a pillar. It's just more like we don't want things floating. We want them to be uniform. What in the fricky? Why you do this? Okay, yeah, there's got to be like continuity. It's got to be like, oh, this is a quote-unquote building, right? Okay, let's move these together. Since I have real time on, I can just like shift them left. And then let's, like, it's just, we're gonna make it like slightly difficult. Like, so we'll put it further away so the player has to like really make a good jump. Also, I need to fix this. This material is incorrect. Let's go to my materials. Standards? No. Materials? Here we go. Floor. There you go. Fixed it. I guess I should fix these as well, technically, right? I don't recall why I had them orange. Shite. Go where I want you. I gotta switch into surfaces mode so I can select these surfaces. That too, please. There you go. Fix it. There. Come up here. We're gonna get this. And this. Bad. Bad. Don't do that. Naughty. Stop it. Small child. There you go. There you go. One more. Stop it. There. Okay, you gotta be like confident. Okay, everything's fixed. This level looks good. Better. Next scene. I'm in scene 3. Scene 3. Let's go to scene 4, which is my rotating level. This level is really weird. Like, in terms of like the city, in terms of the city, I don't know what the hell this would even represent. It makes no sense, to be honest with you. Prefab. There you go. Maybe if it's like, oh, this is water, maybe it's like big barrels rolling around. I don't know. That's like the best I could think of. Maybe they're just kind of like something floating in the water. Oopsie. That's good. I like that. It makes this level seem better. Because before it was just like these floating cylinders and it just doesn't make any sense. Like these we can obviously change into like buildings, like the tops of buildings. That makes sense. But this is just like, what the hell is that even? Cities just be like that sometimes. They really do be. They really, really do be. Get rid of this kill box. I've got to fix the lighting on this level. Things are messed up here. Because like you can't, when you first spawn, you can't see jack. What did I touch? Okay. I think this is better. Oh. That's better. Yeah, no, it's true. Oh, crap. I messed up. Drop this below. Okay. Okay, I see. I gotta do it like this. Or let's put it like right here. I think that's good. Now, I'm not really sure how this is gonna affect. That's all the levels, so technically that's done. The kill box, the hard deck kill boxes are done, so let's say complete here. I could really quickly update their script, but there's other pressing matters, and I've got like 15 minutes. Add checkpoints, level points. So I've got to do props. Let's go ahead and drop this to a low. Spawn box collision with camera. Add wall jumping levels. Save player completion times. Oh, that's gonna be such a pain in the butt. Scoreboard for completion times on menu. These are kind of linked. These go together. 5 more levels. 10 more city levels and 15 more sky levels. This is like, I'm dreading this. I have um 1, 2, 3 weeks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 3 weeks and 5 days before everything's due. So like I'm gonna put this up. Like I don't want to have to put this off, but I really want to put this off until like I'm really confident with the. Like how do I explain this? Like I want the quality of the current levels and the way the game looks now to look better, and then I'll start building those levels. Maybe I don't know if that's a bad approach. I just want to improve the quality of what's already existing before I start building new stuff, I guess. Add checkpoints. I gotta get checkpoints working. I think this is what I'll tackle next, is the checkpoint system, because the final level, like, definitely needs a checkpoint. 5 more sewer levels. Let's go ahead and do a fix for lighting. Fix lighting. Let's just go ahead and call that normal. I want that to be done pretty soon. Let's get rid of these completes. Okay. 5 more city levels. Spawn box collision with camera. Remove collider. This is something that really needs a fix. This is a bug. I really need this to get sorted out. Add wall jumping levels. Okay, this is gonna go. This is gonna get combined into this thing. Add wall jumping levels. We'll put that in the city levels, and that'll be cool. Save player completion times. Scoreboard for completion times. Fixed lighting. Let's make this a low. Yeah, it's kind of like I need to fix stuff. Water hard deck implementation, but all that other stuff is in low as well, so just drop it. Tell players they can't jump or move on very fast on red surfaces. Clean up topography for levels. New point models for city level. I kind of want to tackle this. This seems like something that would be fun to do. Collision detection in city levels, rotating barrel. This is a bug. So let's write this as a bug. Let's write this as a bug. So bugs will be different. Like these are features and these are bugs, I guess. When you finish level, make sound for victory. That sounds like it'll be fun to do. So let's highlight that. New point models, new sounds. Let's do a water hard deck sound as well. So like when we do this, we'll do this. Level props and level points. I don't want to do this quite yet. 5 levels. Save player completion times. This is a really important feature, but I don't want to tackle it yet because I don't have the time. Spawn box collision. Let's mark this as orange. And we'll mark this as orange as well. These are 2 bugs that I need to fix. Fix lighting. This isn't a bug, this is just that things look bad. Goal UIs, UI fix. This is a bug. Fix this as well. Okay. This is also a bug. I'll fix this as well. Okay. Alright. That's kind of what I need to work on. Let's order this. Here's my low stuff. Alright, but anyways, that's how long? An hour and 44. Right, it's getting to be bedtime, so I gotta get off. I made good progress again today. Staying focused, staying committed, making good progress every day. You can do a lot in 2 hours, I know that much, which is awesome. This is a part of the topography fix. I need to get in here and figure out what the hell I did. Anyways, Miss Chin, thank you for joining me again tonight. I appreciate you as always. Lots of love for you, your family, and your new kittens. Send me more pictures of them, please. And I will be catching you later. I hope you have a good day. I know you're starting out while I am ending my day. Let's go ahead and close this stuff. Let's figure out what the hell am I listening to. What's that? Alright, everyone. I will check my messages. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Love you.